controls. Sees all.
So, we're all set up. This is the Manfrotto tripod, which is really cool. So you understand the mechanism, it's not very hard. You have the tension here, and it's a swivel, right? So you have easy access to go absolutely straight up into the sky, or to go straight down. And on top of that, the Manfrotto has a lot of different angles that you could do, and that's what I want to show you. For example, this one, it's just that extra thing that I always need the tripod to do. See, there's a table right here in front that's annoying me, and there's one leg that's in the way. So obviously, you see here, you can turn up the leg very easily and adjust it any way you want. This thing comes up really high. So you have plenty of access. It goes way up out of the camera there. So you have plenty of access to get every and any angle you want. But again, with the top on it, that's a must. And this leg that moves like that, because sometimes you're on terrain that's not exactly suitable, right, to be able to put your tripod level. So sometimes you have to play around with it.
When you buy the camera, guys, be sure there's no specks in the lens. And you can do that by putting it on the highest infrared illumination level by looking in some light and film it. And if there's a spot in the screen that keeps appearing, send it back. It can happen. So here's why I need a tripod that is at least 6 feet high. Check it out. If I'm looking at the Milky Way, it has to be all the way up. It's higher than me, where it's almost 7 feet up there. And that's why I have to put it up that way. 25 pounds is one of the weights on my telescope, and that is what this tripod, the Manfrotto, can hold, can support.
Vanguard. This is my first tripod that I got. Paid a lot for it, and it's surprising is that, listen, if you want a tripod that's 5'7", it's gonna cost you $100. If you want one that is a foot higher, it's gonna cost you $300-400. Isn't that stupid? And of course, I did want a solid tripod. But honestly, the name Vanguard and Manfrotto, those are two good tripods that I invested in so far. 2 tripods, guys, almost $700. That's what it cost for 2 tripods. I already had one, but I had to go get another one. So the 496 ball head, not a bald head like someone I know, but a ball head that you can fit on the top that I showed you outside. Easy manuable head on the head on the tripod to be able to move it. Here it is, the Equinox Z2 Bushnell. Finally got it. Yup. The only thing that comes in the box, including no instructions at all, is the wire, which is for your Wi-Fi, right? The Wi-Fi. That's all it is. And the Wi-Fi is not to live stream, it's to stream to your phone. So yeah, I guess if you have a cell phone, you could probably stream on YouTube, but I don't have a cell phone anymore, and I don't want one. But we'll see what we can do with that. There's maybe a way, right? So the first one I had with the Bruce on it, B, I'm lucky it's labeled a B, was the Z1. Amazing. It's discontinued now, so you can't get it anymore. So is the Z2, by the way, here in Canada anyway. So there's stores that are going to have it. So night vision, never miss. So you never miss a UFO. You open the box and there's absolutely nothing in it. There's this beautiful carry case that you can't see because there's not much light. Nice hard case. So that's a nice case for sure to use. And the only instructions are a couple of warnings. You get this Bushnell digital night vision. in 62 languages, but each little square it's just one message on here, and it talks about things that everybody knows. Like, for example, do not put this in the oven while you're cooking pizza at 400 degrees Fahrenheit because it's going to melt. Okay, and that's all they sent. There's a couple of warnings on it that they sent, but there's no instructions on it. So obviously, I didn't need the instructions. I went to see the reviews online. But if you don't have a computer, that might be a little problem. And again, this wire comes with it. So let's check out the Z2. It's just a bit closer. So I'm going to put the light on me. That should be a bit clearer, just so you can see at least what it looks like. It's not the exact model I wanted. I wanted bigger than that on the magnification, and I wasn't able to get it, unfortunately, but that doesn't matter. And it's a beautiful scope. There's the infrared. There's the B for Bruce. It's a nice scope, and the lens on that is coated and everything, so that's pretty awesome. So, like the other one, right, you have the power button. Can't really see it well, eh? All right, so you have, there we go, you have the power button, the record button, and here is inside are the functions, so it's like basically the menu. When you click on that on the menu, it asks you which intensity that you want your infrared. You want it high, medium, or low. And by the way, be careful if you're filming UFOs. I honestly nearly never film on the infrared 2 or 3, the high illuminated infrared. And you'll know why. Cindy Luhu, Marty, when you do the videos and stuff, it's that you're going to get the bugs. Right, so you could capture every bloody bug going around. If I put it on the highest illumination, I see a lot of dust, pollen, bugs, anything. Right, they look like little lights. They don't look like UFOs, but they look like little lights. And you know, sometimes some people can pass them off as UFOs. So, yeah, I'll be trying that like in about half an hour. So I had a lot of errands to do today. I still have to get back out while this is uploading. I'll be back a little late tonight, that's for sure. I'm over with some family tonight, and I'll be outside filming. I can't wait. I have 2 infrareds set up. So thanks a lot, everyone, for watching. You can film with this. It has the audio, the micro USB. Do you know what a micro USB is, you guys? It's a little micro USB like this that you fit the little chip in here at the end, and the little chip goes in here, and it's just here at the end. Everything's there. I know we can't see, but anyways, there we go. Everything's there. You have the plug to plug to the computer, and you have the little chip underneath that goes there. You just push it in. Okay, if you have big fingers, you're going to have a hard time pushing the clip in. That's for sure. So it goes right in the back there, the mini clip. Right there. And that's also where you plug it into the computer. You have the volume. It records audio. And you have different illuminations. And this one is only 5x40 zoom. As to the 6x50, I'm not going to hide it. But honestly, these don't go too good if you zoom up too much. And that's all I need. With 1080p, by the way.